Hey everyone, today in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova Y70 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, you want to launch the general settings app. In here, go straight for the mobile network, enter the SIM management feature, and in here you'll have the separate and individual section for choosing the preferable SIM card for the mobile data as well as for calling. So as for the mobile data, you can choose between SIM 1 and SIM 2, and when it comes to the default SIM card for calls, you can either choose the SIM card at the first slot, SIM card at the second slot, or not set, which will mean that each time you are making the call, you will need to manually choose what SIM card is going to be used. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.